Amachamo tinagenge agenge ago ibunge na ba senate olege gusini gonki de testai ne goni natan ko motion natan ne testai gingolole na natan ne tinyege agistai tine barube yuata president Rigathi Gachagua olenge gusigong entai go much ko isia speaker natan ne babunge ne ba senate natan ko Emerson Kingi natan go summit natan go bun ogiliot natan ne barube yuata president Rigathi Gachagua natan go nde kwa njeru ne gamachege ista natan go James Orengo ko mat ko ogiliot
Council further submitted that it would be prejudicial to the Deputy President if the Senate allowed Honorable James Orengo to represent the National Assembly in these proceedings. Council drew the attention of the Senate to the President's state in the matter of the proposed impeachment of the Deputy Governor of Kingi County, Honorable Richard Monda, in which a decision was taken to bar Honorable Sylvanus Osoro, Majority Whip of the National Assembly and Member of Assembly for South Mugirango in Kingi County, from appearing as counsel for the Kingi County Assembly. In a submission, Council cited Article 77 of the Constitution and Section 26 of the Leadership and Integrity Act, as well as the decision of the High Court in Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions versus Orengo, Manduku and two others interested parties, Constitutional Petition 204 of 2019-2021, KHC 456 KLR 27 April of 2021, where Honorable Justice Ogola found and ruled that the continued representation of the first interested party, Mr. Manduku, by the respondent, Honorable James Orengo, as then was, or any other state officer is against the spirit of Chapter 6 of the Constitution for failing to conform to the mandatory provisions of the Leadership and Integrity Act. The judge ruled that in that case, there was an inescapable conclusion of conflict of interests in Senator Orengo representing the petitioner, highlighted by the fact that the interested party, Mr. Manduku, the managing director of KPA, may at one time be summoned to appear before a committee of the Senate to answer to some of the matters that the petitioner was being investigated on. Ruled that in these circumstances, it was clear that in the minds of the public, the fine distinctions of the bicameral parliament would be lost and their confidence in the impeachment process would entirely be undermined. In the same breath, as rightfully contended by Counsel for the Deputy President, it is true that in both Article 77 of the Constitution and Section 26 of the Leadership and Integrity Act, no test of prejudice is expressly provided for. It therefore follows that both the contention of the Counsel for the Deputy President that his side will be prejudiced by the appearance of Senior Counsel James Orengo and the rebuttal by the National Assembly that no prejudice will be occasions are moot. Honorable Senators, ladies and gentlemen, having analyzed the preliminary objection raised and for the reason I have given, the preliminary objection raised on the appearance for the National Assembly by Senior Counsel James Orengo is hereby dismissed.